Hi, welcome to the Augie family.
And the first day of the best 4 years of your life.
My best advice is to dive in.
The possibilities are endless here, so don't be afraid to try something new and meet new people.
Just keep your head on straight and study, and I know you'll do well.
Cherish the precious time you have now to forge the relationships that will last a lifetime. And I'd highly recommend starting a quote board because there is going to be a lot of funny stuff said and you need to document it. I wish you nothing but the best on your Augustana journey. Study hard and have fun. I can't wait to see what you accomplish over the next 4 years. Go Vikings. Karen Dahlstrom, 04.
Nadia, welcome to Augustana. I'm Karen.
Nice to meet you.
So, welcome to Augie. We just are so excited to greet you and to greet your classmates, and I'm serious about the quote board.
It was really nice, and I think it was like a special moment, and it gets to know that they actually really care and they really do mean the words that they put down.
Get some studying done in the daylight hours and laugh as hard as you can whenever the opportunity arises. Take care of yourself, and if you ever need anything, please don't hesitate to find me. Eric Rowell, class of '93.
Whoa, there he is!
How are you, man? Awesome, how are you?
John Doonan.
I was not expecting that at all. That was absolutely awesome. It fit in perfectly reading that note, and I felt so welcomed, and yeah, it's just a great place to be, and I'm really excited.